Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something every rider has asked themselves at least once. Which motorcycle should you buy in 2025? Stick around because some of these bikes might just surprise you. Ready to find the one that fits your style, budget, and riding needs? Let's get started. Number 8. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. If you are looking for a stylish mid-range custom cruiser with old-school charm and modern engineering, the 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is a strong contender. It is powered by a 648cc air and oil-cooled parallel twin engine, making 47 horsepower and 52 newton-meters of torque. With a 6-speed gearbox, a low seat height of 795 millimeters, and 240 kilograms wet weight, it suits both urban and weekend riding. The bike features a teardrop tank, bobber stance, blacked-out engine cases, and a floating solo seat with the option to add a passenger perch. It runs on 18-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels, dual-channel ABS, upside-down forks, and twin rear shocks. While it is not the fastest or most tech-laden bike, its approachable power and custom styling make it ideal for beginner and intermediate riders looking to enjoy relaxed cruising or solo touring. Taller riders might find the foot peg placement slightly cramped for long hauls. In my opinion, the Shotgun 650 nails that balance between affordability, individuality, and everyday usability. It is perfect for younger riders or anyone who wants a good-looking bike without the price tag of a Harley. As Royal Enfield continues to improve quality and expand globally, this model has strong potential to become a modern cult classic. If you are into heritage design with a touch of rebellion and want a middleweight motorcycle under the $7,000 mark, this is one worth checking out in 2025. Number 7. Suzuki GSX-8S. For riders who want a modern naked street fighter with everyday comfort and high versatility, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-8S hits a sweet spot. This machine features a new generation 776cc parallel twin engine, delivering 83 horsepower and 78 newton-meters of torque, paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and bidirectional quickshifter. At 202 kilograms wet, it feels light and nimble, making it ideal for both city streets and weekend canyon runs. The GSX-8S comes with a fully digital TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, 3 ride modes, and switchable traction control. The suspension is handled by KYB inverted front forks and a link-type rear shock, offering a balanced, forgiving ride. Braking comes from dual front discs with ABS. This bike is perfect for intermediate to experienced riders who want something fun, capable, and practical without going full superbike. However, taller riders over 6 feet may feel a bit compact on longer rides. In my view, Suzuki really stepped up with the GSX-8S, offering sharp styling, a lively engine, and enough tech to stay modern without overwhelming new riders. It undercuts some competitors on price while offering more personality than older Suzuki models. Looking ahead, the GSX-8S is poised to be a long-term staple in the naked middleweight class, especially for riders who want dependable Japanese performance with a bit of edge. Number 6. Honda Transalp XL750. If you are after an adventure bike that balances comfort, performance, and price, the 2025 Honda Transalp XL750 deserves serious attention. It is powered by a 755cc parallel twin engine producing 90 horsepower and 75 newton-meters of torque, mated to a 6-speed transmission with an optional quick shifter. At 208 kilograms curb weight, it is lighter than many ADV rivals, making it easier to handle for a wide range of riders. The suspension setup includes a 43mm Showa SFFCA inverted fork with 200mm of travel and a ProLink rear shock with the same travel, which is ideal for both road and light off-road use. You also get 5 riding modes, Honda selectable torquey control, and a 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity. It rides on a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheel combo, perfect for dual sport versatility. The seat height is 850 millimeters, which might be a bit tall for shorter riders, but manageable with practice. I think the Transalp is perfect for solo tourers, weekend adventurers, and even commuting riders who want one bike to do it all. It is not meant for hardcore off-roaders or speed junkies, but it is ideal for mature riders who value comfort, range, and reliability. Looking ahead, the Transalp will likely remain a favorite in the midweight ADV class, thanks to its Honda pedigree and real-world practicality. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. For those craving sport touring performance with long-distance comfort, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX is one of the best balanced motorcycles on the market. Powered by a 1043cc inline-4 engine, it delivers a smooth 140 horsepower and 111 newton-meters of torque, making it thrilling on the throttle yet refined for touring. It features a 6-speed transmission with an assist and slipper clutch, along with an up-and-down quick shifter for seamless gear changes. Weighing in at 235 kilograms wet, the Ninja 1000 SX feels substantial yet agile thanks to its well-tuned chassis and Showa suspension. It includes a 4.3-inch TFT display with Bluetooth, cruise control, integrated pannier mounts, cornering ABS, and traction control. The upright riding position, large windscreen, and supportive seat make it comfortable for longer trips, while the sharp fairing design and aggressive stance appeal to riders who still want sport bike style. This bike suits experienced riders looking for a high-performance machine that can do both spirited weekend rides and multi-day tours. It may be a bit too much power for new or smaller riders, and city maneuvering requires confidence. In my opinion, Kawasaki has created the perfect do-it-all leader bike for grown-up riders who still want excitement with a touch of refinement. Looking ahead, the Ninja 1000 SX continues to be a top choice for riders who demand both thrill and practicality in one well-rounded package. Number 4. BMW R 1300 GS. When it comes to blending power, comfort, and world-class engineering, the 2025 BMW R 1300 GS stands at the pinnacle of adventure touring. This latest evolution features a new 1300cc boxer twin engine, pushing out 145 horsepower and 149 newton-meters of torque, making it the most powerful GS yet. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and BMW's refined shaft drive system, it delivers smooth, reliable torque throughout the rev range. Despite its size, the wet weight has been reduced to around 237 kilograms, improving handling and balance. The bike comes loaded with cutting-edge tech: radar-assisted adaptive cruise control, 6.5-inch TFT display, dynamic ESA, multiple ride modes, hill start control, and integrated navigation. The suspension features electronically adjustable telelever front and paralever rear systems, offering unmatched road and trail composure. This motorcycle is ideal for experienced riders who love long-distance touring, off-road adventures, or just crave the best of German engineering. Shorter or beginner riders may find it tall and intimidating, with a seat height starting at 850 millimeters. Personally, I believe the 1300 GS is not just a motorcycle. It is a global passport on 2 wheels. If you want one bike to conquer any terrain in total comfort and confidence, this is it. Looking forward, the R 1300 GS continues BMW's legacy as the gold standard for premium adventure machines. Number 3. Yamaha MT-09 SP. If you are looking for a naked bike that delivers raw power, agile handling, and premium tech in a compact package, the 2025 Yamaha MT-09 SP is hard to beat. It is powered by a punchy 890cc inline 3-cylinder engine producing 119 horsepower and 93 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and an up-and-down quick shifter. For 2025, Yamaha has fine-tuned the ride-by-wire throttle, added a 5-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, and introduced advanced rider aids like cornering ABS, traction control, slide control, and cruise control. What sets the SP model apart is its Öhlins fully adjustable rear shock and KYB Gold anodized front fork, which give it exceptional suspension feel and performance on twisty roads or track days. The bike weighs just 193 kilograms wet, making it light and responsive. It is ideal for intermediate to experienced riders who want a spirited ride with everyday usability. However, it may not be the best choice for beginners or those looking for long-distance touring comfort, as the aggressive stance and minimal wind protection can wear you down on highway stretches. In my opinion, the MT-09 SP is Yamaha at its finest: compact, crazy fun, and packed with performance value. Looking forward, this bike remains a favorite among street riders who crave control, style, and excitement without breaking into superbike territory. Number 2. Triumph Speed Twin 1200. If your taste leans toward timeless design blended with modern muscle, the 2025 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 might just be the perfect choice. This British icon is powered by a 1200cc parallel twin engine tuned for road performance, delivering 100 horsepower and 112 Newton-meters of torque with a rich, throaty exhaust note that adds to the riding experience. It is mated to a 6-speed transmission and features 3 ride modes: rain, road, and sport, along with ABS and switchable traction control. The suspension setup includes 43mm Marzocchi USD forks up front and twin rear shocks, tuned for a firm yet comfortable ride. Weighing around 216 kilograms wet, it strikes a great balance between maneuverability and road presence. The Speed Twin rides on 17-inch wheels and offers Brembo M50 front brakes for solid stopping power. With its low seat height of 809 millimeters, it is accessible for a wide range of riders. It is best suited for intermediate and experienced riders who want a retro-styled roadster with real performance and daily usability. While it is not a touring machine or an off-roader, it shines on back roads and in the city. In my opinion, the Speed Twin 1200 is one of the best-looking modern classics on the market, and with Triumph's constant refinement, its future remains bright as a style-meets-substance masterpiece. Number 1. Ducati Monster 937. Topping the list is the 2025 Ducati Monster 937, a bike that perfectly balances aggressive performance with street-friendly versatility. Powered by Ducati's 937cc Testastretta 11-degree V twin engine, it delivers a thrilling 111 horsepower and 93 Newton-meters of torque, offering exhilarating acceleration and strong mid-range power. This naked sport bike features a 6-speed gearbox with a quick shifter, ride-by-wire throttle, and multiple riding modes, including sport, urban, and touring, to tailor the experience to your mood or conditions. The Monster 937 weighs in at a manageable 188 kilograms wet, making it one of the lighter bikes in its class and giving it agile handling that's ideal for tight city streets or canyon carving. Suspension components include fully adjustable Kayaba forks and a rear monoshock, providing a smooth yet responsive ride. Braking duties are handled by Brembo M 4.32 calipers with dual 320mm discs up front, giving excellent stopping power. The bike sports a fully digital TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity and customizable settings, blending Ducati's cutting-edge tech with its unmistakable Italian style. This bike suits experienced riders who crave excitement and style without sacrificing everyday usability. New riders may find it a bit aggressive, so caution is advised. In my opinion, the Monster 937 perfectly embodies Ducati's philosophy of performance and design. Its future looks bright as it continues to evolve and attract riders who want a thrilling, iconic naked bike with modern sophistication. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this countdown and want to see more honest, detailed reviews to help you pick your next ride, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Which bike caught your eye? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you're riding or dreaming about. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart.